Good morning students. Next we will do question number 10 of exercise 10.3. The line through the points h3 and 4,1 intersect the line 7x minus 9y minus 19 is equal to 0 at right angle. Find the value of h. So you can see here this AB is the line having equation 7x minus 9y minus 19 is equal to 0, and other 2 points C and D having points h3 and 4,1 which is meet this line AB at right angle. So we know that when two lines are perpendicular, then this product of their slope is equal to -1. So right here slope of AB multiplies slope of CD is equal to -1. So slope of AB. So this is the equation of line 7x minus 9y minus 19 is equal to 0. So what is the formula of slope? It is minus A over B. So value of A is here 7 and the value of B is minus 9. Slope of CD. So when 2 points are given, then the formula of slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y2 is here, write 3 minus 1 and x2 is h minus 4 is equal to how much? Minus 1. Now solving this, we will get the value of h. So this minus minus cancel. 7 upon 9, 3 minus 1 is 2 upon h minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Now this 7 2s are 14 upon 9 h minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Or solving this 40 is equal to minus 9 multiply with h minus 4. You have to cross multiply this. 14 is equal to minus 1 into 9 h minus 4. It is 40 is equal to minus 9 into h, minus 9h, minus minus plus, and 9 4s are 36. Or it is 9h is equal to 36 minus 40. You will take this minus 9h on left hand side and take this 14 on the other side. Its sign becomes negative. 9h is equal to 36 minus 14 is how much? 6 minus 4 2, 3 minus 1 2, and h is 22 over 9. So this is the value for h, 22 by 9. Alright, so this is your question number 10. Next, this is your question number 12. Two lines passing through the point 2, 3 intersect each other at an angle of 60 degrees. If slope of one line is 2, find the equation of other line. It means two lines L1 and L2, they both intersect at point 2, 3 and they are making an angle of 60 degrees between each other, and the slope of first line is 2. We have to find the equation of other line. So to find the equation of other line, we have to find the first slope of this line, and we know that the angle between two lines, its formula is tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. From this formula, we will find the slope of other line. Alright, after that we can find the equation of that line also. Clear? So tan 60. 60 is what? 60 is the angle between these two lines. M2 minus M1. M1 is slope of first line which is given 2. So M2 minus 2, 1 plus M1 M2. Now 2 into M2 is 2 M2. So solving this equation, so you have to take here plus minus sign. Alright, because it is modulus sign, and one value will you take positive and the other one is negative. So when you will take plus root 3, so m2 is 2 plus root 3 upon 1 minus 2 root 3. When you will take minus root 3 and solving this, the slope is 2 minus root 3 upon 1 plus 2 root 3. So we will get value of slope, two values of this slope. First value is this one and the second value is this one. Again you will find the equation of line L2 and its formula is y minus y0 is equal to mx minus x0. So x0 and y0 is this 2 and 3 and the slope is this one and this one. You will get two equations for line L2. Perfect. So this is your question number 12. Next, this is your question number 13. Find the equation of right bisector of the line segment joining the points 3, 4 and -1, 2. So you can see here this is line AB and this is CD. So AB is perpendicular bisector. Right means perpendicular. Perpendicular bisector of line segment CD. It means this point B perpendicularly bisect this line CD. It means this CV and BD are equal, and this make an angle of 90 degree also. Clear? So if the lines are perpendicular, then we know that the slope of their product is equal to -1. Now we have to find the equation of this line AB. We have to find the equation of line AB. So first we will find this point B. We know that this B is the perpendicular bisector of CD. So this B is the midpoint of CD. So by midpoint formula we can easily find this point B. So what is the midpoint formula? X1 plus X2 by 2 and Y1 plus Y2 by 2. So C point is 3, 4 and the D point is -1, 2. So what is X1? X1 is 3 and X2 is -1. So 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Next, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 by 2, 3. It means the coordinates of B point is 1 and 3. Now we will find the slope of this line AB. So the formula is slope of AB multiply slope of CD is equal to -1. So from this we can find the slope of AB. Now what is the slope of CD? 2 points are given. So the formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y2 is here 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is -2 upon x2 minus x1. -1 minus 3 is -4. Is equal to -1. This minus cancel. And slope of AB is how much? 2 1 are 2, 2 2s are 4. Take this 2 on right hand side. It is multiplied with this -1. So 2 into -1 is -2. Therefore slope of line AB is -2 and the point of this line segment is 1, 3. So the equation of line AB is y minus y0 is equal to mx minus x0. Y minus y0. Y0 is 3 and m is slope which is -2. And x minus x0. x0 is 1. Now solving this, we will get y minus 3 is equal to -2x plus 2 or 2x plus y is equal to 5. So this is the equation of line AB, which is the perpendicular bisector of CD. So this is your question number 13. This is your question number 14. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from the point -1 3 to the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. Alright, so a line segment from point A which is perpendicular to line CD, which equation is given 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. So we have to find the foot of this perpendicular point P, HK. So we know that the product of their slope AB and CD is equal to -1 for perpendicular lines. So slope of AB, 2 points are given, y2 minus y1, k minus 3, h plus 1 multiply slope of CD. So the equation of line CD is given. So we know that the formula for slope of line is minus a upon b. A is 3 and b is -4. If the slope is minus a over b, minus cancel, or a minus 3 h plus 1 is equal to -4 over 3. Take this 4 on right hand side, it is multiplied with -1 and this will become divided. Now cross multiply 3k minus 1 or minus 4h minus 4. It is 4h plus 3k is equal to 5. Take this equation number 1. Now this point HK also lie on line CD. So you have to put this HK in this equation. H put in the taken as value of x and this K taken as value of y. So it is 3h, right, 3h minus 4k is equal to 16. Equation number 2. Now solving this 1 and 2, we will get the value of h and k. You have to solve this equation by elimination method. So multiply this first equation with 3 and second with 4. So 3 4s are 12h plus 3 3s are 9h, 3 5s are 15. 4 3s are 12h, 4 4s are 16k and 16 4s are 64. 12h 12h cancel plus 9k plus 16k. 15 minus 64. How much? It is 9, 4. And sign is negative. So what is the value of k? Minus 49 over 25. Now similarly we can find the value for h. You have to put this k in either in equation 1 or in equation 2. You will get the value for h. And solving h we will get 68 over 25. So this is the value for h and this is the value for k. So the coordinates of this photo perpendicular is 68 over 25 and minus 49 over 25. Alright, so this is your question number 14.